This 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 4007 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, TV, water heater, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, slide-out, spare tire kit, external shower, oven, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 4007 is 12,863 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.